Take a ride in the 2014 Altima. The Nissan Altima offers advanced features to make life easier, including push-button ignition, which comes standard. Combine that with a powerful engine and standard airbags and over 5,000 quality and performance tests, and you'll see the Nissan Altima is made to drive and built to last. This vehicle has less than 145,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: alloy wheels, remote keyless entry, rear window defroster, speed control, splash guards, four-wheel disc brakes, traction control, brake assist, electronic stability control. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.